Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Mi 2-in-1 USB cable. This is a micro USB to Type-C cable. We have some information right on top. It says it has quick charge support. This cable is 1 meter long and has fast data transfer capabilities. That's more or less all the information over here. Let's quickly open this up and take a look inside. We have to tear this open like so. And here we are. The box is now open. I'll quickly take it out and show you the contents inside. This is what the Mi 2-in-1 USB cable, micro USB to Type-C cable looks like. It's slightly thicker than most of your charging or USB cables. This is obviously 1 meter long. Over here on one end you have the USB-A connector, and over here you can see this is the USB-C type connector, but you can remove this particular part and just pull it like so. There you go. You can pull it and then it becomes a micro USB port. This is a good adapter for when you want to switch to micro USB to Type-C. And that's it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Mi 2-in-1 USB cable. Thank you for watching.